Hello traders and welcome to our live trading video. It's Tunapan here, founder of Master the Markets Illustrates Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we have the intraday strategy that we are looking at on the daily, on the 4-hour and the 1-hour time frame. So you can see over here, that's the daily, that's the 4-hour, and that's the 1-hour. If you're looking on the basis of the stretch principle, you can watch all those videos on our blog, in our website. In terms of this specifically, what I'm looking for is a secondary pattern here, what I'm looking for. So let me just see if I can signal that out to you. A breakout from the stretch over here, a close below, and then a retracement is what we're looking out for. Okay, so that we already got that. Now at the moment we are looking for actually a pattern setup. All right, so at this moment what I will do is I'll put an entry for the low of this low to be broken out, and then a stop loss for the high of this bar to be taken out. Okay, that's where the stop loss is going to be. I'll just put a red line over there, and then if I do get, let's say in the next 1 hour, let's say at 2 o'clock after this bar closes, I do not get a bar that does, let me just change the color of that, even though the color really doesn't matter. But in any case, if I do get something like this, I'll be triggered into the trade. But if I do not get that and I get something like this, then what I will then do is I'll move this entry line to the low of this bar and then my stop loss to the low of that, because that's what we call a continuation primary. That's what we do over here. We got every price pattern projected and quantified so as to trade with clarity and conviction here at Master the Markets. Okay, and we do that consistently with conviction. So I'll see how this trade plans out, and then you guys can also check it out in real time, and I will place the target based on the ATR as well as mentioned in our previous live trading videos. Alright, I'll pause the video over here and let's see how the trade plans out to be.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, the first step to do is to find out your trader type by taking our Trader Personality Quiz today. This will help you trade strategies that fit your personality to achieve consistent performance. After the quiz, you will also gain a free video course that suits your personality to help you trade safely with low risk and high returns.
So okay traders, as you can see now in the trade, what is happening is progressing now forward. This bar did become a very big bar like we projected it out. This what came out to be. And you can see that this bar itself triggered our entry over here, and then now we are in unrealized profit. Do remember that this is unrealized, this is not realized yet. Okay, so our stop loss still remains over here on this bar over here. Until this bar closes out or hits our target, we can't trail it to the low of this bar because we do not know the order route. Okay, that's why always we need to have patience and we need to follow our plan accordingly. Some of you may ask, why is our target here? Why is it so near to this entry point? The reason is because statistically what we have seen is that usually the range of the bar goes for 80% of this range of the previous day. Range of the previous day is 60. 80% of 60 is about 48 pips is what we are doing. Okay, so we'll wait on this and then we'll see how this trade progresses to be. As I said, you need patience, you need to follow your plan accordingly. All right, I'll pause this video and I will let you know how the trade comes along. Okay traders, as you can see over here, the trade has now hit our target here, which is this green line, 33.41. Okay, very small profit that we've got for today. That is 10 pips we got. That's about £100. Okay, it's going to vary from day to day. Remember that as true traders, what we are really looking for is real actual reward to risk. Okay, actual reward to risk. That's what we're looking for, not the expected. Alright, so over here in the first we began off with this amount of risk, and then for this amount of profit, yes, it's much lesser, very less expected reward to risk ratio. But however, look, if 19 out of your 20 trades starts hitting your targets, but only 1 out of the 20 trades hits maybe a £200 loss, then you're not really getting this actual expected loss, are you then? Okay, that's why it's very important to know the difference between actual and expected reward to risk ratio. All these terminologies and concepts we all cover at Traders Basecamp package, and also more importantly, definitely do take a look at our Trader Starter Pack video series as well. But for that, sometimes you need to do your quiz as well, your personality quiz. That's really important as well. All right. So I believe this video has given you really good value, and as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.